Cooking is an art, and every artist needs the right tools. This Calphalon Premier Ceramic Nonstick 5-piece cookware set offers more than just cookware. It's a culinary partner that makes your everyday cooking easier, healthier, and more enjoyable. With a sleek mushroom gray design, this set is both functional and visually appealing, promising durability, safety, and superior cooking performance. From its hard-anodized aluminum construction to the innovative ceramic non-stick coating, every detail of this cookware set has been thoughtfully designed to elevate your kitchen game. Whether you're a novice cook or an experienced chef, this cookware set has something to offer everyone. Features that make a difference. 1. Quick cleaning technology. Let's face it, cleaning cookware is often the least enjoyable part of cooking. The Calphalon Premier Ceramic Cookware Set comes with quick cleaning technology, ensuring food doesn't stick. Even after preparing sticky dishes like scrambled eggs or rich sauces, cleanup is effortless. 2. Hard-anodized aluminum construction. Uneven heating and hot spots can ruin your dish. The hard-anodized aluminum ensures fast, even heating, making precision searing, sautéing, and browning a breeze. It's perfect for recipes that require temperature control, from delicate sauces to high-heat stir-fries. 3. PFA-free, scratch-resistant coating. Health-conscious cooks will love the ceramic non-stick coating, which is PFA-free. This allows you to cook with less oil or butter, promoting healthier meals. Plus, the scratch-resistant surface ensures your cookware stays looking new, even when using metal utensils. 4. Oven safe. Up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, transition your dish seamlessly from stovetop to oven. This set is oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to bake, roast, or broil with confidence. The tempered glass lids retain moisture and flavor, delivering exceptional results. 5. Cool Touch stainless steel handles. Safety and comfort are paramount. The stainless steel handles stay cool on the stovetop, ensuring a secure grip while cooking. 6. Dishwasher safe. Although hand washing is recommended for longevity, the cookware is dishwasher safe, adding another layer of convenience. What's included in the set? The 5-piece set includes a 10-inch frying pan, a 2.5-quart saucepan with a glass lid, a 3-quart sauté pan with a glass lid. Each piece has been crafted with the modern cook in mind, combining form and function seamlessly. Real-life cooking experience. Searing perfection. The even heat distribution makes searing proteins like steak or salmon effortless. You'll achieve that golden crust without worrying about uneven cooking. Easy egg recipes. Morning omelets slide right out of the pan thanks to the superior non-stick coating. Cleanup done in seconds. Oven-to-table convenience. From creamy casseroles to baked pastas, the oven-safe design allows you to serve straight from the cookware, adding elegance to your presentation. Why choose the Calphalon Premier Ceramic Cookware Set? 1. Aesthetics meets functionality. The sleek mushroom gray finish complements any kitchen decor, making it a stylish yet practical addition. 2. Built to last. Unlike many cookware sets that wear down over time, this set is built with durability in mind. Its hard-anodized construction and scratch-resistant surface ensure years of reliable use. 3. Health-conscious cooking. Cook without the guilt of excess oil. The PFA-free ceramic coating allows for healthier meals without compromising on flavor. 4. Versatility at its best. Whether you're frying, sautéing, or baking, this set offers the flexibility to handle any recipe. Customer testimonials. Absolutely love this set. The quick cleaning technology is a game changer. Cooking and cleaning have never been this easy. I've been using this cookware for 6 months, and it still looks brand new. Highly recommend for anyone serious about cooking. Pros and cons. Pros. Non-stick coating ensures hassle-free cooking and cleaning. Durable construction for long-lasting use. Scratch-resistant and metal utensil safe. Oven-safe design expands cooking possibilities. Ergonomic, cool touch handles enhance safety. Cons. Slightly heavier than traditional cookware. Hand washing recommended to maintain the non-stick surface. Is it worth it? The Calphalon Premier Ceramic Nonstick 5-piece cookware set is more than just pots and pans. It's an investment in quality, convenience, and style. Whether you're preparing simple weeknight dinners or experimenting with gourmet recipes, this set delivers performance and aesthetics in one package. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.